everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make these amazing shapes and just using the array modifier with object offset. So if you want to rotate it on the axis, and you can get different shapes and do whatever you want with playing around with these UV spheres just using the array modifier with object offset. So let's get started. Go over here, new general, then don't save. So just first things first, hit A to select all, then X to delete everything. Shift A, I'm gonna be adding the empty, just any kind of empty you can use it, doesn't really matter. So just I want to add plain axis like this. Shift A, I'm gonna be adding the UV sphere like this, shade it smooth. So let's zoom in just a little bit, then go over this adjustable range. Let's add a modifier, array modifier like this. Set count, for example, to, I don't know, 6 or 5, something like that. Zoom in just a tiny bit. So let's select the empty like this. Let's select the UV sphere as shown here. Go over object offset. So let's check it like this to enable it. Then go over here, empty, and let's select the empty. Also you can scale like this, and you can rotate it to make this shape. So just I want to scale it just a tiny bit, just like this, and you have created this amazing shape. If you want also to scale it, or you want to rotate it like this, you can play around with a factor X value like this in order to change the gap in between these different spheres. So let's scale it just a tiny bit, zoom in, and you can rotate it like this on the Z-axis. Ctrl Z, select the empty, rotate it on the Z-axis, and you can make the shape you want. I have a mistake over here. You should turn off the relative offset, and you can scale it like this, and grab it as shown here. Hit G to grab it like this, so just a tiny bit. Then I want to rotate the plane axis. Also you can scale it like this and rotate, and you can make a shape you want to make, as shown here in our tutorial. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.